Hello everyone, welcome to Technically Yours. I am Ravi and in today's video we are going to do the unboxing of MI Band HRX Edition. So this is the box in which the band comes, and at the back of the box there are some details about the band. Now let's move on to the unboxing and see what the band looks like. This MI Band HRX Edition is also known as MI Band 2i. There is another band from the MI brand named MI Band 2. The difference between these two bands, that is MI Band HRX Edition or MI Band 2i and the MI Band 2, is that the band that we have right now, the HRX Edition 1, lacks heart rate sensor. Other things are same. The battery, the screen, all are the same. So this is the sensor that we get. It has a touch sensitive area and an OLED screen. The screen is 0.42 inch wide and it also has accelerometer and pedometer sensor. It has IP67 rating, that means the sensor is waterproof. And along with the sensor, we get a band. The band is made up of rubber and feels pretty good in hand. And it also has an HRX logo. Along with the band, we get a charging cable. It is very easy to charge the sensor. Just put the sensor into the charging cable and plug it into a laptop. And on a single full charge, the battery can last up to 3 weeks. So this was the unboxing of MI Band HRX Edition. I hope you guys like this video. Please leave your thoughts on the comments down below, and also please subscribe to the channel. I will see you guys in my next video. Thank you very much.